Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, before assuming any major failures, you just have to check the ice maker's control arm or the power switch, whether it is fully activated or not. Now, many Whirlpool models automatically stop producing ice if the shut-off arm is raised. So you need to lower the arm and enable ice production in the control panel. If ice production resumes after doing this, it means that the issue was simply a disabled ice maker settling. Now, if in your case, if the issue still persists, all you need to do is you need to simply check the freezer temperature stability. So ice makers typically require freezer temperatures around 0°F or minus 18°C. So if the freezer is too warm, the ice production may slow or stop completely. So in this case, you just have to simply inspect the temperature settings, the air vents and frost buildup around the vents. If cooling improves after doing this, the normal ice production may return. Now you need to also inspect the water supply line. A blocked or frozen water line is a very common cause of this particular error. So you need to check for kinks or bends or frozen fill tubes, closed water walls and low water pressure. Ensure that the refrigerator receives consistent water flow. If water supply is restored, the ice maker can resume normal operation. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your refrigerator ice making is now working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.